Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, this week for Family Seerah Night, we'll be talking about the Prophet ﷺ as a businessman and some of the morals and principles that he held important while doing business with the people of Quraysh. And how the Prophet ﷺ, because of this honesty that he had, was then chosen by Khadija anha to travel on her behalf to Syria. And how the Prophet ﷺ, upon returning Khadija anha, she then proposes to Rasulullah ﷺ. And then we're going to be going into a special part of the life of Rasulullah ﷺ, where the Prophet ﷺ is a family man. How he treats his children, how he treats his wife, and how the Prophet ﷺ focuses on his family and on their upbringing. After this, inshallah, we'll be talking about Rasulullah ﷺ and the role that he played when the Quraysh were rebuilding the Kaaba, and how the Prophet ﷺ was the sole reason that the Quraysh stopped themselves from going to war with each other. So once again, please join us, inshallah, on Wednesday night at 7 o'clock. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.